How to turn on standby mode. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your settings area. Now under your settings area, what you want to do next is here you'll see your settings, right? All you have to do is to scroll down up until you see the general section here. Now under this section, you will see standby. It's actually a new feature. Now, if you can't see that, that means your iOS is still on the later version. So you have to update your application to iOS 17 because it's a new feature of this new update on iPhone. So if you once you download or you've updated your phone to iOS 17, then it will actually give you the standby option here. Now, to be able to turn on your standby mode, all you have to do is to tap on that standby here and toggle that on and make sure that you have turned on your display here and of course your notifications. Now, the next thing that you want to do so that you can really use the standby mode is to go here to your control panel, and here you will see the auto lock here, right? This one. You have to make sure that that's not on red. So that means that you have turned on the auto rotate, so that once you turn off your phone and then rotate it to horizontal or landscape, it will the standby mode will actually come out. So let's say this one. Now let's turn off our phone. As you can see here, we have turned on our standby mode. It will look like this. And there's a lot of options for you to choose how you want to set that up. And basically, that is it. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.